Hey, what is up, you guys? Welcome back. I am so glad you're here. Today I'm going to talk to you guys about how I make my stickers to put on all of my packaging for Thrift Like You Mean It. A couple people ask me how I do it, and so this is kind of a basic process that I'm sure a lot of people use, but I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about how I design them as well. So the apps that I used for that and how I find like some of the images. So if you want to learn how to make these Avery label stickers for all of your packaging and all of your small business needs, definitely keep watching. So first you're going to log on to Amazon.com or Office Depot or wherever you would like to get your stickers from. I use Amazon because it ships so quickly and it's really accessible and very cheap. So Avery labels is what you're going to search for, and you'll find a bunch of different kinds. I prefer these round labels. That's what I've been using recently. Make sure that you remember this code. You're going to use it in step 4. Step 2 is to design your sticker. So what I like to do is use the app Pinterest to find pictures to work with. So if I want to do like a background on my sticker, then I will use something from Pinterest. I have a couple of boards that I have specifically for inspiration in my edits and things like that. And so I went with this mirror disco ball image and I took it into Canva. So it doesn't matter what size you choose right now, but just keep in mind that it's going to be in a circle. So I just used a 1x1 square and I put in my photo and then I put text on top of it. I usually use very plain text, so you'll see me choose the font Helvetikish, which is just kind of a spoof of Helvetica, and I double up on it, put it on bold and italics, and I make it kind of having a shadow effect. And that is your sticker. Step 3 is to wait. Sometimes I like to watch TikToks while I'm waiting. I like to sleep. I like to nap. I like to be productive sometimes, but the moment will finally come. And then when it comes, jump up and get your package from your mail person and say thank you because they are essential. And then get on to step 4. Now is the time to go to Avery.com, where you will find a bunch of templates, and you need to type in your template code that I showed you earlier, and you will see a page like this. So now we are going to add the images that we have already created and start to fit them to our design. Whenever you press print on the page, you will have an option to download the PDF. I definitely think you should because it makes it so much more easy to access later, but just click print.
I've never seen labels like this. Are you kidding me? They're incredible!
Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. These are a lot of really cool things that I like to implement into my business, and it just has made everything a lot more personal and a lot more brandable. And so I hope you guys implement this into your business. Send me pictures. If you do, feel free to reach out to me on my Instagram at Thrift Like You Mean It and my personal at howjujuin. And make sure you subscribe and like this video. I would really appreciate it if you stuck around. Anything that you guys need, I am here for you as a small business owner and as just a little fashion lover. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.